Fiona with WTI, and this is the coolest coffee table book. This is Wild Maps for Curious Minds, and it is the third one in the collection with Brilliant Maps for Curious Minds. But this one focuses on looking at the world from a nature perspective, which I think is really cool. It has 100 different maps, so let me show you some of them. This map shows you where you might want to live if you really don't like snakes. And this map shows you how giraffe spots change in pattern depending on various parts of Africa. And this one shows you where cattle, sheep, and pigs outnumber people. And in this one it shows how deep the Earth is compared to North and South America. There are so many maps that range on various topics, such as ancient history, geography, oceans, animals, and even outer space. There's truly something for everyone. I think this book is such a great way to expand your knowledge about the world around you from a really unique visual perspective. And that's just my point of view.